The entire system has been continuously gearing up for supporting the circulation of notes in the hands of the public. Daily we are issuing more and more notes, getting it printed and issuing it, and this will be a continuous affair, and the public are requested to freely use the notes that they have in their hands rather than hoarding it. Thank you.
There had been a number of media reports about the some of the transactions noticed in various bank branches or some alleged involvement of bank staff at say various banks or various branches. I would like to mention that from the beginning of this process, banking industry has done good work. Bank employees have made lot of efforts, and majority of them have certainly won the appreciation. Having said that, in an operation of this size, there are always elements who would have behaved otherwise than what is expected of them, and we are keeping a constant vigil on the same. We have issued elaborate instruction to all the bank managements to do the central data checking, and whenever they find any inconsistency, it should be pursued further through their internal audit mechanism. RBI supervisors are also carrying out the similar exercise on the various data points of banks, and whenever any untoward kind of transactions or action is noticed, the due action would be pursued, due investigation would be done. There had been already cases where banks have taken action against the staff members. There has been a media report about one of the RBI staff at Bengaluru as well. Let me clarify that it was a junior functionary of Reserve Bank of India, and it was reported by the investigating agency that he was recorded to be present in a bank branch where this kind of transaction was happening. Having known about that, the concerned employee has been suspended. We have instituted investigation, and due action would be taken once the details are known. Reserve Bank of India and its team is also coordinating and collaborating with the various investigating agencies as they come back with the details of the action which are noticed by them. I think this is also known that all the banks as well as Reserve Bank of India is having an institution of whistleblower, and we always encourage that in a mission like this, even if there is any kind of information, when it is flagged to us through the whistleblower mechanism, there also the due process would be undertaken. So in all such cases, due action has been initiated, the investigations are being undertaken, and wherever needed, the proper action would be taken.
Thank you. Yeah, one or two.
So there are also reports that they have Shoko status, correct?
Pardon?
They have the Shoko status.
There is no such thing at this point of time. As I mentioned, that wherever any such actions are reported, the inquiries are being made. But as of now, no Shokas notice has been issued as yet.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.